This is the second part of the 4-layer rhombic dodecahedron tutorial. And last time I finished doing all of the center pieces. This time I'm going to do all the edge pieces. And these may look more like the centers, and these may look more like the edge pieces. But this is actually the edge piece if you look at how it turns. So these are like these pieces. It's just that they only have one color. So for these, you have to solve it the same way you solve for 4x4x4. And I'm assuming you know how to do that, so I'm really not going to go over that too well. So first, I'm just going to take any random color that's not mixed, that's not solved, I mean, and find another color with one of these two colors in here. I found two light purples. So first, I'm going to match it up. And I'm just going to take this out and replace it with any other color so that it doesn't mess this up when I bring it back. And just to speed things up a bit, since this one's coming back up here, I want the yellow to be here. And because if I do that, then after it comes back up, these two purples will be out of the way and solved, and another yellow will be here to take the place, and it will also solve that. So I'll make sure the yellow is out at the side. Put it up. Now I've solved the light purple and the yellow at once. So I'm going to do that repeatedly, a couple times. Some orange. And now my last two are these two. And these are the only ones left. So if I try to do it this way and solve it like that, then there's nothing to take the place of this. Because even if I do, then some other piece will become messed up. So instead of doing that, I want to have both colors on the same column. So if I have purple here, I want purple to be over here. So now I have two purples on the same column and two greens on the same column. So what I'm going to do is the same as before, except this time I'm just going to take this out and put it back in opposite. So if I do that, then the purple will be here and the green will be here. The green will move up and match with the green, and this purple will move up and match with the purple. That should end up here. Everything else should turn out fine. Same as before. So if I do that, then all of them are solved. Now from here, it's basically the same as 3x3x3 or the second part of solving the 4x4x4. So I'm not going to go over this too well either. The center should already be in the correct order. If not, then you can just replace these two with these two first. And then replace these two with these two, like that. That swaps around your centers, not to swap it back. Okay, so now I'm going to keep going on with solving it. I want the corners now. So now the first layer, I'm getting the second layer now. Okay, now this is one of the problems that comes up. So, the problem with this one is that only these two are swapped. If it was like a normal 3x3x3 or 4x4x4, that wouldn't be a problem. But since this one has two colors each, if I try to put these on the correct order, like that, where all the edge pieces match, the center doesn't. So, what I have to do here is I have to just use the same move that I used to solve the edge pieces. So when I'm matching this one with another yellow and orange, I just have to match these up again, except slightly differently. So now I'm going to take two of the colors that have to be flipped around, and what I'm going to do is the same move as this one as I just said, and you're going to swap these two, and then you're going to swap them again. So first I want one of the green pieces to be over here, so I'm going to take that here, take it out, put it back in reverse, and put it back up. Now the green is where it should be. Now I want to replace these two. So the same thing again, except on the green's other side. And I'm going to take this out and put it back in the other way. Put it up. And that way all of the edge pieces should go into the right direction. Now that happens, and a lot of times your corner pieces get somewhat messed up, but you can easily fix that. So I'm going to fix that right now. And now you just have to rotate these like the normal 3x3x3. And that's how you solve the 4-layer rhombic dodecahedron. Thank you for watching.